It's where design meets durability and comfort meets craftsmanship. Every board, every finish, every angle is intentional. Built to withstand time, weather, and daily use without sacrificing style. At Delightful Services, we design and build decks that elevate outdoor living while meeting ADA accessibility standards. From smooth transitions and safe layouts to solid structures and refined finishes, each deck is crafted for performance and ease of use. These projects reflect more than construction. They reflect smart planning, quality materials, and expert execution. A deck should feel seamless, inviting, and reliable, whether it's for residential relaxation or commercial functionality. Accessibility blends naturally with modern design when it's done right. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space with a deck that's built strong, looks clean, and works for everyone, Delightful Services is ready to build it. Contact us today and let's create a deck that truly stands out.